Welcome back, everybody. Beaverworx Diecast Racing, and we've got two next cars for the mainline review. We're going to do another manufacturer's head-to-head, and it's both the same car, Porsche 911 GT3 Matchbox, going up against the Hot Wheels Porsche 911 GT3 RS with the fancy paint job on it there. We will get all the information about what that's all about on race day. For now, we're just going to rip into these guys and check them out. So, right now, brand new out there in the world is this Matchbox doing the World Tour, Germany, and it's the Porsche 911 GT3. Let's get a closer look. Look at that. Looks awesome. Shiny. All right. Do the camera thing here. And there that bad boy is. Great looking little casting that is. Awesome. Matchbox hitting it out of the park again, and it's got those super fast wheels on it too, just like that 2020 Vet's got on it. There's a number for him. There's a name for him. I guess we could start including that. I could look that stuff up. I haven't. I've been checking it out. Look at the side shots in this, and you can't beat Matchboxes getting into these castings. They're doing such a good job. This thing does have the taillights. It does have the headlights. Beautiful looking casting that guy is right there. We're going to have the quick shot of the measurements for you, and we're going to have the qualifying runs to get the times on these two so we can figure out what the starting position is going to be on race day. There is the Matchbox. Let's check out the Hot Wheels. I know it'll make a couple of you cringe out here. This is the short pack. We don't get them in Canada very often. But then again, we don't get a whole lot of Canada. Canada's southern Ontario, where I am at right now. We're getting skunked on a lot of cases. So I'm digging back into a few of the ones from last year. And Matchbox just happened to come up with the match for this one. So that means we've got a match coming up between these two. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Excellent looking casting there. Move in for some closer look on that. Come on. Come on. There it is. This one is the Hot Wheels Porsche 911 GT3. All done up in somebody's paint scheme. This is going to be one of those customs from around the world out there. I love what they did with those headlights. How they're like pocketed in there. Looks excellent. There it is. Trying to keep it in focus just so that we can get a really good look at that. The detail on the paint job on that flat black with those gold rim wheels. Got the artsy on top of it as well. Very cool looking stuff coming up for the next main track. Porsche versus Porsche. Hot Wheels versus Matchbox. Going to be excellent, folks. All right, stay tuned. We're going to do the specs, and then we'll take it right over to some qualifying runs. Excellent.